In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can create a kids profile on Disney+.
For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it.
So once you're on Disney+, guys, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is click on your avatar in the bottom right corner. And then once you've clicked on avatar, go ahead and select add profile. And then go ahead now and just select whatever avatar you want to go ahead and choose. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and choose Buzz Lightyear. And then go ahead and give your profile a name, so we'll just go ahead and use your child's name, whatever you want. And then go ahead now and check this little circle here where it says kids profile, and then all you simply do is go ahead and click on save. And then once you've clicked on save and then you click on the kids profile, all that will be there is the kids style content, so it's all like Toy Story, princesses, Disney Junior, things like that. So it's just as simple as that, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a kids profile on Disney+. So if this video helped you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.